Hi! So, I have made a video talking about how much I love this product that I'll be showing you today how to use it. And I continue to stand by this product. It satisfies my needs so much that today I want to show you guys how to use it and give you a little bit more insight on the product. And this product is the Remington iLight Pro. Okay, this product enables you to do hair removal from home. It's like a laser, but it's not laser because it only uses lights. Okay, so right now, this is how you turn it on. There's a button in the back right here, and you turn this button on, and it's gonna start making this noise. And this noise, it requires you to put your skin on it. And if your skin is too dark, it will not unlock the machine. So this is to unlock the machine. Okay? So now I have unlocked the machine. Super cool, right? And then you hear this noise. It's a little bit loud. So here you have the settings. It goes from low all the way to high. There's 5 different settings. This is the lowest, now the second one, third, fourth, and fifth level. Okay? So the higher you go, the stronger the light pulsation gets. So let me go back to the first one because I never really tried the last one. I usually only uses the second one. So I want to show you now how this product actually works. So take it out, and there's these 2 little things right here. You see? So when they go against your skin, they make this noise because it means that it's ready. So when you hear that noise, you will press this button right here, and you will feel the light. So I will show you right now how it works right on my hands. So put it against your skin. Okay, you'll hear the noise, and now you press this button, and now you will see the light. It burns. You will feel a burning sensation because it literally burns the hairs of, wherever you have hair. So I'm gonna do it one more time to show you guys. Now I'm gonna do it right here. Again, place the product against your skin. Wait to hear the beep, and then press the button, and there you go. Okay, and this is pretty much how you use the Remington iLight. And you can use this on your armpits, on your bikini line, pretty much anywhere except for your face. It is not recommended to use it on your face. Like I told you, you will feel a little burning. It's super quick, but your skin will stay hot just for a little, couple of seconds. But that's because of the light pulsation, okay? So there you go. This product is so easy to use. It takes me about 5 seconds to do my underarms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here on the other one. So I would say max a whole treatment, depending where you're doing, might take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most. I love this product. I totally recommend it. As I had already told you on my other review, I had tons of issues before with razor bumps, and ever since I started using this product, let me shut it off. And ever since I started using this product, no more razor bumps. So now you see how to use it. It's super easy. It's a little bit bulky, but you can even take it on vacation with you, disassemble, and it's ready to go. It's laser hair treatment at home, just like it. Totally recommend it. Love this product. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer. Bye now.